I forgot there's two walls, see? There's one wall against the other wall in there.
Yeah. There's a chest of drawers.
Look, there it comes. Started to. Just can't quite get it to.
That bed frame's a goner now.
Yeah. Now let's film the operator. Let's film Jimmy. Those handles he runs, they're electronic. That's what we were waiting on. See all that shit in the bottom? All that nasty crap? That's how they live. I found out today this was a meth lab at one time. And that's the people, the police raided it, and it just sat here. I don't think the owner knows that. People that are on meth live very nasty. They give up on life. They don't know what life is anymore. Like Cynthia said, you can't be on meth or be an alcoholic and run one of these, nor own one.